Renew your engine with expert cylinder head restoration from Precision Heads. If your engine needs a second wind, we've got you covered with precision craftsmanship and 2-day turnaround service that speaks for itself. Here's what you get: complete disassembly for deep cleaning and inspection, media blasting to eliminate grime and carbon buildup, precision valve lapping and seal replacement for peak performance, an expert reassembly with every head vacuum tested before you collect it, just 2 business days later. Looking for more? We also offer journal and bucket polishing, valve refacing, manifold port matching, and decking or shaving on request. 4-cylinder heads start at $1,200. 6-cylinder heads? Just $1,600. Just drop off your cylinder head and a new set of valve seals at our Aruka shop. We'll take care of the rest, with the quality and speed Precision Heads is known for. Check out the before and after photos, then book your service today.